today let's start with chapter number 13, our surroundings. Okay? The things that surround our earth is known as our environment. And we have plants, animals, and human beings in our surrounding. Or what are these? These are living components. We have non-living components also, like air, water, and soil. Now, polluted air. Dry air is called polluted air. Sometimes air becomes unfit for use due to smoke of car, bus, factory, scooter and burning of leaves and fuel. देखो क्या होता है, बहुत बार की जो एयर होती है वो अनफिट हो जाती है फॉर द यूज ड्यू टू स्मोक ऑफ कार, बसेस, फैक्ट्री, स्कूटर एंड बर्निंग ऑफ लीव्स. पॉल्यूटेड एयर इज हार्मफुल फॉर आवर हेल्थ. और जो पॉल्यूटेड एयर है वो क्या होती है? हार्मफुल होती है. Then we have polluted water. Dirty water को क्या कहा जाता है? Polluted water. Water becomes unfit and dirty due to human activity. देखा लोग क्या करते हैं? गार्बेज फेंक देते हैं, ठीक है, वेस्ट फेंक देते हैं वाटर में, और एनिमल क्या करते हैं? बात करते हैं वाटर में. What it's make water impure. Then protection of environment. It's our duty to protect our environment. If we will not protect our environment, it will harm us. So we should not use poly bags as germs grow on them. We should use jute bags. Instead of using poly bag, you can use jute bag because poly bag से क्या हो जाता है? Germs हो जाते हैं. Then we should throw our waste in dustbin and we should plant more trees in our neighborhood. हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा plants या trees plant करने अपने neighborhood में. They gives us oxygen and fresh air. क्योंकि हमें क्या देते हैं? Oxygen देते हैं और fresh air. Right? Now, hope you understood. Let's start with the exercise of the chapter. Pick the correct option. Plant and animals are dash components. Plant and animals कैसे components हैं? Living components. Dash water is called polluted water. Dirty water को क्या बोला जाता है? आपका polluted water. We should plant more cactus, factories या trees. Now we should throw waste in dustbin, poly bag on the road. कहाँ फेंकना चाहिए? डस्टबिन में. That gives us oxygen and fresh air. कौन देता है? Trees देते हैं. Next is fill in the blanks. Environment has that animals and human beings and living components. So environment has plants, animals and human beings as living components. Sometimes air becomes that for you. Sometimes air becomes impure for use. We need clean dash to drink. We need clean water. Now we should not use poly bag as what happens? Germs grow on them. We should plant dash as they give oxygen and fresh air. We should plant trees. Write T for true and F for false statement. Things that surround us make our environment. It's true. Then environment has only living components. False. Environment has both living as well as non-living components. We need fresh air to breathe. It's true. Next is we do not need clean water. False. हमें clean water की need पड़ती है. It is our duty to protect our environment. It's true. Now name any two things that emit smoke and pollute air. Human activities that pollute water. Industrial waste. Now, things that you can do to protect the environment. आप क्या कर सकते हो? Now write the names of different types of pollution found in the world. Air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Now, let's start with answer the following question. What are the two living components of the environment? कौन कौन से हैं आपके living components? That is your living things and non-living things. What are the two non-living components of the environment? Living components में आपकी human being, plants और animals आ जाते हैं. Non-living में आपका air, sunlight and water. How does the air become unfit for use? जब आपके जो air है pollute हो जाती है because of the smoke of factories, vehicles and industrial areas. Give two ways by which water get polluted. ठीक है, throwing garbage and जो industrial waste आता है आपका. Why should we do? What should we do to keep our surrounding clean? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Grow more trees, throw garbage in the dustbin, and use less vehicle. These are some uses that we should do to keep our environment clean. Now, one activity you have to do yourself. Our chapter has been completed. Thank you.